going to do a big side of salmon that will feed the whole family. I'm going to make a lovely watercress sauce to go with it. So if you can chop some shallots and put some butter in there, sweat them off, and then put some wine in.
Right,
juice
okay.
them, okay?
So the wine's not for me to drink?
You can have a little sip. You can have a little sip. So into the bottom of my foil, I'm going to put some fennel, which I just think is absolutely delicious. A really lovely vegetable.
Fennel's one of those veg that people don't buy a lot of because it is quite strong, but if you cook it nice and gently, it always goes beautifully with fish.
Yeah. And I love these little fennel leaves as well. I think they're just really lovely.
Are they called leaves or fronds?
Fronds. And I've got some little baby leeks here, which are delicious, and I'm just going to split them down the middle so that we've got little long baby leeks as well. You can put any vegetables you like in here, but the salmon only cooks for such a short amount of time that's why I'm using baby leeks. Otherwise, just cut your leeks up, big leeks, just cut them up very small. So I've skinned this salmon.
You get your fishmonger to do that?
Yep. Because if you had the skin on, it's just going to be horrible and flobby underneath. So that's going to sit on top of my leeks, and my fennel. Just going to wash my hands and then put some butter, salt and pepper on that, and a little bit of wine.
So in here I've got some shallots which have been sweated down with some butter and pepper and salt, and they're soft. I'm going to add to that a good glug of wine and then burn the alcohol off.
Yeah, lovely.
Because otherwise it becomes a bit acrid and sour and sharp.
Yeah, and we want to reduce that wine down.
Okay, to like syrupy.
Yeah. A little bit of butter on the top.
Right.
And a little bit of wine, just so that it steams as well.
Okay.
You can drink the rest of that. Well, I'll drink the rest of that.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to wrap it up.
So that's in the oven, 20 to 25 minutes, which will give us enough time to be able to finish off this sauce of yours.
Yes.
And you are doing a watercress sauce.
I am. I love watercress.
Okay. So that's the white wine's reduced. What else do you want to go on there? 'Cause
some stock and some cream.
Okay.
There we go.
Pass it out to me, that's fine. Thank you, don't. A bit of double cream. And this is and a bit of stock.
Chicken stock, but you can use vegetable stock, it's absolutely fine. Boiling water across the top of the watercress.
Well, the reason you blanch watercress is for twofold. One is that if it's not blanched, it won't blend. It will end up being very, very...
grainy and gritty.
Grainy and gritty. The other thing is, it helps it keep its colour.
Right, okay.
So watercress is bright green, lots of chlorophyll, and if you don't blanch it, it won't hold its colour in the sauce. The sauce will go grey.
Which is really funny, because lots of vegetables you have to shock with ice.
That's right.
To keep the colour.
Yeah.
But this, you're actually blanching it with hot water.
Blanch it with hot water, let it wilt a little bit, in the same way as a bit of spinach.
Yep.
Let it sit back, that's fine. Make sure you haven't got too many stalks in there. Any big stalks, get rid of them.
Okay.
And everybody needs one of these.
You really do.
Stick blender. A Blender Del stick.
Shall I season it as well?
I've seasoned it already.
Okay, you've done that.
Salt and pepper's in there already. I keep the heat on because I want to make sure it's blitzed properly.
How's that doing?
As it continues to cook, it just gets thicker and thicker. How's that? Do you want any seasoning? Do you want any lemon juice in it? Salt in it?
We're going to finish it off with a bit of lemon juice.
Go on then. You season it.
And when it's ready, just put the lemon juice at the last minute, I think.
Okay. Well, otherwise it will make the watercress go grey. Like me.
Like you. But it also does, I think you have to be careful with lemon juice and cream, don't you, as well?
Are you laughing at the fact that I'm grey?
It's not really grey, a little bit. Salt and pepper.
I wish I was just a little bit grey.
Salt and pepper.
Go on then. In you go. And then off it goes. Done. So watercress sauce.
There we go. So when your salmon's done, there we go, take it out.
Right, do you want me to lift that out of there? Onto the tin? Onto the
Yeah, let's
board?
do that. Should we put that?
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Wow. Looking good, Lisa Faulkner.
Right, so.
Are you just going to put it on that
I
pan?
think we should.
Yeah. Don't mess around with that. That's where it's going to be served from. Go on, go.
Here we go. There.
Very well done, lovely. Nice bit of lemon on the side. And watercress sauce.
Just put our new potatoes in here. I love a Jersey Royal.
And there has to be something really exciting about Jersey Royal with
A big knob of butter and a little sprinkle of salt.
and let the butter just melt across the top. Amazing. It's a whole side of salmon, fennel and leeks, watercress sauce, Jersey Royals, feast fit for a king or a queen.